Hello everyone, this is Shivangi ma'am here. I'm here to teach Standard 4 SST Chapter 2, okay? And the chapter name is the Northern Mountains. So I hope the question answer and word meaning work I've provided of Chapter 1, you all have completed that. When school will resume, I will do the checking work, okay? So right now we can't meet or you can't come to school, so take your studies very seriously. You have to do it by your own. Become serious for your studies, okay, towards your studies. Let's get started with the chapter. Here on the page this chapter 2, page number 15, the first question is circle the words that are related to the word mountain, okay? So height is related to mountain. Beach, no, beach is not related to mountain. Valley, yes, valley is related to mountain because it is a stream of water which comes from between the two mountains. Comet, no, it is found in space. Peak, yes, the highest point of mountain is known as peak. Slope, yes. Range, yes. Oasis, no. Why? Because oases are found in desert. Snow, yes, mountains are covered with, the northern mountains are mostly covered with snow, okay? Now let's get started with the chapter. The northern mountains include the Himalayan and the Karakoram mountain ranges, the Purvanchal hill ranges. The northern mountains, the mountains which are in north, the northern high mountains, the name of the mountains are the Himalayan, the Karakoram and the Purvanchal hill ranges, okay? These are the three names of the mountain which is present in northern mountains, okay? Now first we'll read about the Himalayas, okay? The Himalayas stretch from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. So these Himalaya mountain, it stretches from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, okay? These stretch from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. These under these area only northern the Himalayan mountains are there, okay? Most peaks remain snow covered throughout the year. Over here temperature is very low, so throughout the year these mountains are covered with snow. बर्फ से covered रहते हैं, okay? The Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. So the highest peak in the world is the highest mountain, the highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. Mount Everest, okay? It lies on the border between Nepal and China. So this, the highest mountain, where is it? It is in the border of Nepal and China, okay? The Himalaya consist of 3 parallel ranges. This Himalaya is also consist of some parts, and these parts, the name of these parts are the Greater Himalayas known as Himadri, the Middle Himalayas known as Himachal, and the Outer Himalayas known as Shivalik. First one is the Greater Himalayas, name Himadri. The second one is the Middle Himalayas, name Himachal, and the Outer Himalayas, their name are Shivalik, okay? Now some people, they climb the Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. These peoples have climbed the highest mountain peak, that is Mount Everest, okay? Now let's move on to the next page. The Greater Himalayas, okay? Now we'll read about these parts, the 3 parts, which is Greater Himadri, Middle, that is Himachal, and the Outer Himalaya known as Shivalik, okay? The Greater Himalaya is in the extreme north, the very north, the extreme, the first point of the north is covered. They consist of Greater Himalayas. It is the highest of these 3 ranges. This Greater Himalayas is the highest of these 3 parallel ranges. They are very high. It remains covered with snow throughout the year. Glaciers are found in these mountains. So these mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. Pure saal, it means throughout the year it is covered with snow, okay? Glaciers are also found in these mountains. What are glaciers? Glaciers are moving. Glacier is a slow moving river of ice and snow, okay? What a glacier? Glacier is a slow moving river of ice and snow. Glacier is mainly of ice, made up of ice, and it is a slow moving river of ice and snow. Okay. Many rivers such as Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers. So these are the main rivers of our India, which is Indus, Ganga, Yamuna. These all three comes from what? They originate from these glaciers. Okay. When glaciers get melts, these rivers forms. Okay. Kanchenjunga is a very high peak in this range. So in this range, the highest mountain peak of world is Mount Everest, and over here, where these the Greater Himalayas are there, the highest peak is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is also known as K2. Why? Because it is second highest peak in the world. Okay. The Middle Himalayas. So we have read about the Greater Himalayas. The Greater Himalayas are in the extreme north. Okay. Now we'll read about the Middle Himalayas. Middle Himalayas lies towards the south of the Greater Himalayas. So where the Greater Himalaya ends, it exists. The Middle Himalayas exist in the south of the Greater Himalayas. It is lower in height than the Greater Himalaya. The mountain slopes are covered with thick forest of pine, fir and deodar. So these are the forests, these are the trees which is present in the south of the Greater Himalaya, where the Middle Himalaya are present. Okay. The height of the mountain over here, the Middle Himalaya, they are a little short than the Greater Himalayas. ठीक है? Greater Himalayas से little short होते हैं. Understand? Hill stations such as Shimla, Nainital and Darjeeling are situated here. So here in the Middle Himalayas, the hill station, very beautiful hill stations are there. The names are Shimla, Nainital and Darjeeling. These are the hill stations where tourists and people visit. Okay. The outer Himalayas. Now the outer Himalayas are Shivalik. The outer Himalaya is located south of the Middle Himalaya. So where the Middle Himalayas stop means finishes, from there the outer Himalaya, the Shivalik one, it starts. Okay. It is the lowest in height. This range is covered with forest. Many wild animals are also found there. So their range is covered with forest mainly, and the height of the mountain is also low according to Greater Himalaya or Middle Himalayas. Now Karakoram Mountains. To the northwest of the Himalayas, beyond river Indus, lies Karakoram range. So this where the Karakoram range is there, it is in the northwest of the Himalayas, the northwest part of the Himalaya, beyond river Indus. Beyond river Indus, there is a northwestern part that is known, there the Karakoram range lies. वहाँ पर over there the Karakoram range lies. Mount Godwin Austen, K2, lies in this range. It is the highest peak in India and the second highest peak in the world. As I told you, K2. This is known as Mount Godwin Austen. It is the second highest peak in the world and first highest peak in the India. Okay. Now life in the region. So life in the northern plain and in the northern mountains. How is the life? We'll read about that right now. Ladakh lies in the Himalayas and Karakoram range. Ladakh is a place which is present in Himalayas, which is there in Himalayas, and Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling is in West Bengal, and some part of Arunachal Pradesh fall in the Himalayan region. So these are the states which are there in the northern Himalaya or northern part of India. Okay. They all comes under Himalayan range. Okay, so they are mainly hilly areas. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Due to lack of plain land, farmers have to cut steps or terraces along the slope. So over there, the occupation of the people, the work they do is mainly farming. Okay, so because they do not have the plain land, so they cut the slopes of the mountain, they build the terraces, and then they make do farming on over there. On these steppes they grow rice, maize, barley and potato, and such farming is known as terrace farming. So in mountainous region, plain land is not there, so they cut the slopes of the mountain and do the farming over there, and this type of farming is known as terrace farming. It is known as terrace farming. Okay, some people also engage in sheep rearing and wood carving. The more occupations are there, like sheep rearing to take out the wool from sheep, and wood carving to take out the wood from the